Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a snap to your story in Snapchat. Adding snaps to your story allows you to share moments with all your friends at once. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, also known as the Camera section. Take a picture by tapping the capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Once you have taken your picture, it's time to edit it the way you want. Use the various creative tools available in Snapchat to enhance your snap. You can add filters, text, stickers, and even draw on your picture. Step 4. Once you're satisfied with your edited snap, tap on the Story button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will add your snap to your story, allowing all your friends to view it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a snap to your story in Snapchat and share your moments with all your friends at once. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.